To troubleshoot your Absa Bank current account, start by identifying the issue you are experiencing. Common problems include transaction errors, account freezes, or missing funds. Gather all relevant information, such as your account number, transaction history, and any error messages received. Step 1. Check your account balance and transaction history to verify the issue. Log into your online banking or mobile app to access this information. If you are unable to log in, contact Absa Bank customer support for assistance. Step 2. Review recent transactions for any suspicious activity. Check for unauthorized transactions, incorrect amounts, or duplicate payments. If you find any discrepancies, contact Absa Bank immediately to report the issue. Step 3. Verify your account status. Ensure your account is not frozen or restricted due to inactivity, overdrafts, or other issues. If your account is restricted, contact Absa Bank to resolve the issue and have your account reinstated. Step 4. Check for any system maintenance or technical issues that may be affecting your account. Visit the Absa Bank website or social media pages to see if there are any planned outages or technical issues. Step 5. Contact Absa Bank customer support for further assistance. Provide detailed information about the issue you are experiencing, including any error messages or transaction history. The customer support team will guide you through the troubleshooting process and help resolve the issue. Best practices for troubleshooting your Absa Bank current account include regularly monitoring your account activity, keeping your contact information up to date, and being cautious of phishing scams by following these steps and best practices. You can quickly identify and resolve issues with your Absa Bank current account, ensuring uninterrupted access to your funds. Remember to always prioritize your account security and seek assistance from Absa Bank customer support when needed.